Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we are looking at your brand new 2018 Toyota Corolla SE with the CVT. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a cool black sand pearl. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of upgraded 16-inch wheels. You have your really sweet front grille detail, as well as your fully automatic headlights and your rear spoiler detail to just tie all of that sporty style together. But why don't we head on inside and take a look at your interior features. Starting up your Corolla is nice and easy. Simply put that key into the ignition with the foot on the brake. Your vehicle will start up for you with that really great welcome screen on that dashboard. We'll turn that radio off so you can hear me. We have your lane departure warning right on your dashboard there, as well as plenty of other menu items that you can come in and play around with and see what you can do with your vehicle. We have this really sweet leather-wrapped steering wheel with all your steering wheel mounted controls, like your hands-free calling, volume control, your voice command, as well as with your Toyota Safety Sense, you have that lane departure warning and your dynamic radar cruise control, which your cruise control you can set from below here. Taking a look at that beautiful LCD screen, you have your AM/FM radio as well as your CD player right on top there. You can plug in your USB or auxiliary input to bring that music with you. And with your Bluetooth hands-free calling, you have your Bluetooth audio. Your backup camera also shows up on that cool screen. Adding that modern touch is your beautiful climate control. You have the automatic climate control, which is handy for setting the right temperature for your vehicle, as well as these really beautiful tabs to change all those modes there. Below we have heated seats for both your driver and your passenger, perfect for those cold Alberta winters, as well as your 12-volt DC charger and your USB and auxiliary input that I mentioned from before. You have some storage below there, and here we're seeing beautiful leather and chrome detailing on both your shift knob and your parking brake, as well as you have your sport drive mode and your traction mode. Here we have your chrome detailing on your cup holders with that removable piece to make it nice and easy to clean. We have leather on your center console with that top storage compartment for anything small that you want to carry, and of course inside you have your removable mat for easy cleaning as well. Plenty of storage in there. And taking a look at your glove box, you have all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Corolla. And we have that contrasting stitching on that leather dashboard, tying in all that style together with those cool fan designs. Plenty of fun things happening inside your Corolla, but why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Helping you into your Corolla is your handy key fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your trunk release and your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once, and to unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you also have your turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. Opening that door up now, right away we see that pop of color from that blue trim, as well as you have that black trim on the side of your door with your power adjustable windows and your power locks. We have some storage below there, as well as your power adjustable side mirrors with that really cool fan detailing on the side. Of course, you need your all-weather floor mats. It comes with a full set to make sure that when things start getting messy out there, your vehicle stays nice and clean. And getting a better look at that mixed SofTex and fabric interior with that really great blue trim to add that extra sporty touch. But why don't we hop on in and start it up? Here we are at the back cargo area of your Corolla. To open that trunk up, simply hold that release button on your fob and it'll open up for you there. Taking a look inside. Plenty of space to store everything you need in your vehicle, as well as this handy hard cover, which underneath you can find your spare tire with all the tools and your jack in case anything does happen. You do have a cargo lamp inside as well for visibility, as well as your emergency release is available underneath there. Closing it up now, you have your backup camera to help you into those tight spots. And we also see that SE badging on the back as well. As we take one more look at the back of your Corolla. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Corolla SE CVT. With your Toyota Safety Sense, you have your forward collision alert with that pedestrian detection, as well as your lane departure warning with that steering assist to have you riding those roads smoothly. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. And until I see you next time, drive safe.